Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a rice bhakri recipe, but this is not a normal rice bhakri. We get a lot of Taikilo in Goa these days during monsoons. So this rice bhakri will be made using Taikilo palo. I have got this fresh Taikilo removed from the surrounding of my house and got it cleaned up thoroughly. We would be needing only the leaves of Taikilo, unlike the tender springs we use for bhaji. I have got these leaves removed and got them chopped like this. I'll keep them aside now. We will also be needing 1 green chilli to give a little spicy taste to our bhakri, since we are making it with Taikilo leaves. I got this green chilli crushed like this. Now to a pan, I'm adding 1.5 cup water. To this, I'm adding chopped Taikilo leaves, crushed chilli, salt to taste, a teaspoon of ghee. Mix well, cover and let it come to a nice boil. This has started to boil now. Let's add 1 cup rice flour to this. Mix thoroughly immediately. Turn off the flame, cover and let this dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I had kept this dough covered for total 15 minutes. While the dough is still warm, just knead it for a minute or two in the pan itself, or you can even transfer to a plate and knead it. You can use warm water if you feel the dough has become hard. Now, grease your palms with ghee or oil and make a dough of lemon size maybe. Greasing your palms with ghee will avoid getting them sticky with the dough. I have got these dough balls ready like this. Now, before you roll out every bhakri, make sure to knead the dough ball every time so that the edges don't crack while rolling out the bhakri. Coat the dough ball with rice flour and roll out bhakri as thin as you can. Just like the way you roll out your everyday's chapati, look how thin this bhakri can be rolled out. Place it on a medium hot tawa and roast bhakri on a medium to high flame. Once you see little bubbles on the surface, flip the bhakri and you will see it automatically fluffs. Flip 2 more times till it gets nice golden brown patches. And your soft and fluffy bhakri is all ready to serve hot. Enjoy this hot bhakri with chicken shakuti or any type of usal. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.